Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Tonight I have with me a beautiful car. This is the brand new BMW 5 Series, and in this video we will talk about lighting. Lights, outside lights, interior lights, exterior lights, everything about the lights you will find out in this video. And to be honest, it looks just phenomenal in the nighttime. BMW was always one of my favorite car brand in terms of exterior design. For years they always made those beautiful exterior designs, and I'm super fan of it. And not only the exterior design, but when it comes to those headlamps, I'm also a big fan. They look just phenomenal. They always come with something new that looks good. For example, this grille that it's illuminated, the kidney grille, it's much more smaller. So they come with this BMW 5 Series, and they kind of design the grille a little bit smaller after a lot of critics from other reviewers and BMW fans. BMW choose to make the grille smaller back, and also it comes with this beautiful ambient LED light bar across those kidney grills. The car looks phenomenal. From every angle you will look at it, it will look nice. Anyway, first of all, I want to tell you that those headlamps, BMW LED, they are matrix LED laser light, and they are just phenomenal. In the nighttime they look really good. Not only that they look good, but also they illuminate very good. And also you can see the pulping turning signals that are the new style of pulping light. It looks really cool. Anyway, let me show you the low bin and the high bin so you can make an idea the way they look. So for example, right now is the low bin, and right now is the high bin, low bin, high bin, low bin, high bin, low bin. And you can go also a little bit on the side so you can see from close up. This is the high bin, this is the low bin, high bin, low bin. They look just fabulous. And you can see also on the wall, this is the low bin. It's pretty clear, a white bright light, really beautiful. And this is the high bin, and I like very much the high bin, that you can clearly see the little mirrors LED lights that goes across from left to right in every corner. So in the nighttime will work fabulous to illuminate all the parts of the streets. Now go in the back to see the brake lights and also the reverse light. Talking a little bit about the reverse light, you can see that the style of them, they are kind of a business, simple but business, kind of a three-dimensional shape, really cool. Let me go inside to press the brake. So right now the brake is on right now. You can see the brake light, the way it looks, and the reverse. This is the reverse light as well, and this is the brake light. Pretty nice, right? Anyway, let me take you to a tour around the car, and then I will show you also the lights in the interior. So first of all, guys, what do you think about the car? Business lights from the back. I think those parallel tail lights look really cool, look really business. It's nothing extraordinary, nothing fancy, but it's just simple, but in the same time classy, I should say. Really nice. Also you can see them even from the side, and you can see them pretty cool. Also it fits pretty nice with the car. Don't ask me about the rims, because the rims are with winter tires. They are not original rims, but they look also pretty cool. Man, when it comes from this angle, from front end, boy oh boy, I love that grille. I love that look of the car. It looks so nice. Really spectacular. I go a little bit lower and check this out. Boy, it looks nice. What do you think about it, guys? Write me in the comment. It looks nice, right? Ooh. And even from the side you can see that grille, illuminated grille, and you can see the lights from the side, and then back around the car in the back here from this angle. It's really spectacular. I love the car. Every single light, it is an LED light. And if we go in the back right here, you can see those parallel tail lights that goes across on the side, and they are kind of a three-dimensional light, look gorgeous. Then you have the turning signal indicator that looks also nice and super visible from every angle. On the other side, the same story. On the downside, on the down part, on the bumper here, we have the fog lamp that look also pretty cool. A little bit higher LED lights on the number plate, super cool. Simple LED lights. And then we go on the side, on the mirror cap. The car comes with LED light, pretty visible and pretty long, so you can see them from every single angle. And then in the front, you can see writing here BMW LED. Then you have these kind of crystal diamonds shape on the turning signals. They look also cool, how they project the light inside them, and also here. And then you have these lights right there. You can see the mini million small thousand of little mirrors there that send the light in different positions. So really cool. And you can see it also from this angle a little bit better. You can see the grille, pretty cool, really nice. In the nighttime it looks so nice. Anyway, I want to show you something. Check this out one more time. Low bin, high bin. I will do a video, separate video, test drive video, where we will drive in the nighttime, and then you can see even better how the lights look like. Also, it comes with LED lights on the handles right here, both handles on both sides, of course. Plus you have this beautiful light that is illuminated on the ground, and when you close the door it will still stay down there. Anyway, good. Let's go in the trunk. Right here, open the trunk, automatic lift gate, and of course in the trunk the same LED light, pretty powerful LED light. So you have more than enough light inside the trunk here. Even though it's one light on the upper side, you have plenty of light to illuminate every single part of the trunk. And here you have also illuminated buttons. You close the trunk from here, very simple, very smooth, and the quality of the car, it's incredible. So everything you touch, it has super high quality. Here I have some information about the car that we will talk about tomorrow in a full review video. When it comes to interior, I have no words. It looks just gorgeous. Look at it, man, it looks nice. But more about that in the review video. It comes on the door with some ambient light inside here. You can see the bluish light, then the buttons with the ambient light inside, and then you can see inside the car it has right there in the middle some LED lights. It's kind of a yellowish, white yellowish light. It's a special light. It's an LED, but it's not a bright white light. It's more like a little bit of yellowish light, but it's quite nice, and it's illuminating the interior very nice. You have a LED light under the seats, under the both seats. That's pretty cool. You have also this screen for climatic system here in the back. You can also turn it on, turn it off. It's kind of a touch screen. It's super simple to use. Also USB-C there, and you have some ambient light right here, bluish, with an USB-C as well. Now I want to go inside the car because I want to show you the front part from this angle, so you can see from here. Again, upper side, the same story, the same light as in the back, and then you can see this beautiful ambient light inserted in the dashboard. It's not as beautiful as the brand new BMW i5, the electric version, but it's still very beautiful. And also you can see the background lights. But let me go there in the front to show you a little bit better. Open the door, super fancy. Again, here on the front doors we have this ambient light insertion here that looks super cool. Then you have here ambient light. You have the background light behind the buttons. Very nice light, very pleasant in the nighttime. It's a dimmed light, so it's pleasant to drive the car. Also around here some buttons, and also down there. On the legs you have another light, plenty of light in the car, plus the lights from the upper side that illuminate the seats. So you can see from this angle how the interior look like, and also you can see in the back, of course, from this angle how much light you have. So again, here it's continuation of that LED plus the buttons. And then let me go inside. Let me show you something. When you turn the hazard light for the first time, check this out. You have this red beautiful lights. that's working for a few seconds, and then they will stop. They will work in red, and then they will definitely stop. But pretty nice, right? And then if you go close right now, you can see the trim and the lines, how interesting they are. You have ambient light here on the charging place for the phones. Right now the lights on the legs turn to blue. Also here on the pedals, super nice. Here you have also the lights on the center console. Very, very pleasant ambient light in the dark, in the night. It doesn't bother you when you're driving. It looks just beautiful. Now you have the lights on the steering wheel, of course, the same story. And also from this angle, you can see a little bit better the way it looks, the dashboard and the screens. Up here, you saw before the light. And also here, you have some ambient LED lights that look so cool and very useful from my point of view. Now, the cool part is that if you want to change the colors and the ambient light, you have to go into the menu, and I will show you right now. All you have to do is just go to, if I remember well, here, interior lights, and then here you have the ambient light. And from the ambient light, you can change the colors from here, and you have so many colors. Check this out. Check this out, how many colors you have here. And you can go like orange, but papaya, basically. And you change to papaya, and you have all this papaya inside the car. And then you can change it to, let me go, to change the color. You can change the brightness. You can do it indigo. It's like a blue, it was before. And then you have the ocean. This is azure. I like this. This azure look nice, looks special. And then you have turquoise. Oh boy, turquoise, it's my favorite. And then you have also like emerald, like a green. Oh, that's nice too. It's really hard. And you have gold and ivory, and you don't know which color to choose. I don't know which one you like, guys. I will leave it on green. Green look nice. Anyway, and from here you can change different colors of the lights, but it's so fancy. Anyway, this is all, guys. I hope you make an idea about the interior, about the lights, about the way the car look like. And of course, if you still have questions, ask me down below whatever question you have. If you want to see the full review, I wait till next days to see the full review and the test drive. Really interesting. I already did it, and the car is just phenomenal. So look at it, beautiful BMW 5 Series, one of the most wanted car these days on the market. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get some useful information from here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks a lot to all of you that are watching my video. Stay safe, and I see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.